Hi everybody, guess what? I know you guys kind of know what's going on. I ordered something from DollarTree.com. It was my very first time ordering something, and I really wanted to get these items, and I've already been to several Dollar Trees trying to find it. Well, I went to a Dollar Tree today after like 2 weeks of finding it, and I found out the store had it, but I'm still not mad. So if you guys ever want to order stuff from the Dollar Tree, you guys can. Sorry, my kid is screaming in the background if you guys hear something. But if you guys ever order anything from the Dollar Tree, you guys can actually have the choice to get it shipped directly to the store. It does take a while. Like, I think this took like over a week to get, because it takes like a couple days. It takes a couple days for it to, you know, go on order. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I really wanted these. Some of these are damaged, but I really wanted to make wreaths out of these, and you guys can order so much stuff through the Dollar Tree. Now they have this thing called like a quick catalog, and they kind of got like their own special SKU numbers. So I got the SKU number because I'm in a couple of Dollar Tree Facebook groups, so I got a couple of those SKU numbers, and I'm like, I want to see if I can get this. They had some like cross ones, but I really wasn't interested in the cross ones, but these ones I was really interested in. And let me show you guys what I got. So I had to order, I think 24 or 40, 24 or 25. I can't remember what it is, if I can even get these out of the box. But what I found out is, you guys, if you guys ever order something online, like if you guys are looking for something and you want to order it online, and your store does not have enough, or your store doesn't have enough or something, or your store doesn't carry it, you guys can actually order it, and you can actually return it at that store. I don't know if it has to be the store you want it from, but you can actually return it and get store credit. You guys don't get store credit. They make you like buy other things. So if you guys, the store I bought it from is a very small store, so hopefully I might just do like a couple at a time of returning these. But I ended up getting the remembrance wreath forms. I really am excited to do this because I want to make some breast cancer. I want to make epilepsy, autism. There's so many wreaths that I want to make and start selling these to people. I wouldn't sell it for like a lot of money, but some of these are not the greatest quality. Like the welding on here came apart, but I really wanted something like this, and if you guys can see, I mean, I'm pretty excited to show you guys. But this is all that I got. I just got that one item. It took about like a week and a half to get, but I was pretty excited to see that, you know, I got them. But I was kind of sad that I saw the store now has them. But I really want to make, you know, wreaths and stuff, and then maybe donate some of these wreaths, because I found out a pretty quick way to, you know, make some of this stuff. So you guys will have to see a DIY that I'm going to make. I think my first one I'm going to make is either breast cancer or autism. I really like the colors for autism, so I thought, why not? Or find out another thing. But these are the wreath form, and the number that I typed in, like the quick catalog, it's usually the first 6 numbers that are on their tag. So this was 262786. You just go to DollarTree.com, quick catalog, you put that number in, and it brings you right to those products. So any product that is a Dollar Tree, like actual item that they sell at the Dollar Tree, they usually have like their own little part number or SKU number. You just enter that and you guys can order it. Some of the stuff you have to order like a minimum of, like some of the stuff you can order a minimum of 4. Some of the stuff it's gotta be 12. I think this was 24 or 25. I cannot remember off the top of my head, so I'm not gonna need 25 wreath forms, but you never know. If on taste I really do really big. But I definitely wanted to share with you guys things that you guys can order from the Dollar Tree, especially you guys are on a hunt. Like there are some great things that you guys can look for that. Like there's some items that I bought that you can't find at the Dollar Tree, and I don't know, I'm just rambling, not trying to bore with you guys, but I just wanted to share with you guys that. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. If you guys ever find, if anytime you ever find something that you want that somebody bought from the Dollar Tree that's like the Dollar Tree brand stuff, message them or comment and ask them what like the tag says on their thing, because like if this is what their tag looks like, you just have to ask them for like that number right there. It's not even gonna focus because I'm in the way, but that number right there, and then maybe we can message it to you, and then maybe, you know, you guys can order, or you guys can order it, you know. So just wanted to share with you guys. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.